Dear Khyber team, today site visit takes place to GGP's Bakhtullah school. The marbles of new proposed staircase has been installed. The staircase steps length has been 39 feet installed. In the new proposed construction warrant, marble is also installed 52 feet by 9. This is a new proposed room 1 at which marbles has been installed, sunny grey marbles. The application of white cement has been given. So white cement mortar has been given. The polishing is also been in progress. This is the machine that is being used for chemical polishing, and you can see the grinding and rubbing and chemical polishing activity is also in progress. Similarly, the marbles has been installed in the new proposed second classroom, 25 feet by 16 feet. This is the grinder and grinding and rubbing machine. A new ramp construction in GGP's Bakhtullah school has been also been constructed with a length of the first length is 14 feet and 1 inches, and the width is 4 feet 6 inches. With 1.5 feet excavation is being made for the outer walls of this ramp to support the ramp and to avoid settlement. And this has been the landing of ramp, which is 4 feet by 4 feet 6 inches uh, as per site conditions, to facilitate the students, female students, and special granular material, fill material is used below the PCC 1:4:8 to support the ramp surface, and PCC 1:4:8. This outer wall length is 12 feet 6 inches, and this outer wall, which is for which foundation is constructed, is 16 feet, and the width of the ramp is 4 feet 6 inches. The difference between the ground level and the finished floor level is 28 inches, and the slope is accordingly given as per the difference. The second landing is 4 feet 6 inches.